Hi, we're here today at NIBRT in Dublin to get a tour of their world-class facility and to meet some of their team. Come and join us to see what we learn.
The biopharmaceutical sector in Ireland is really going from strength to strength. Some of the largest companies in the world have now deployed facilities within Ireland to make their next generation products. We have over 8,000 people deployed directly in the biopharmaceutical side of the wider pharmaceutical industry. And what NIBRT really does is to work with those companies to offer best-in-class training for those students and trainees and new hires.
We had a fantastic day here at NIBRT learning all about their biopharma process, including upstream, downstream and fill finish. It was a fantastic opportunity for our team to learn more about the processes and clients that we're supporting and to allow them, I suppose, support our clients even better from a recruitment perspective.
It was a great opportunity to explore these different areas and to be able to ask the questions that we wanted to ask. I felt I had a very great and informative day.
We had a fantastic tour ran by Robbie and Stephen, gave us a great insight into the overall process, and it was great to kind of see all the different machinery and equipment. It's going to give a great insight when we're speaking to candidates and understanding the client's needs as well. So great day out. I'm very thankful towards NIBRT.